All right, now we're going to do some butt welding on that same mild steel. And with butt welding, you do want to make sure if you are fusion welding that butt, we want to make sure the surface or the edges are 100% perfect, no gap. We can have gap when we are using wire, but using fusion, you don't want any gap. You'll burn right through instantly. But the fusion is pretty cool. We can control the wobble, so the thicker the material, butt welding, you're going to want that wobble turned up. Right now on this 14 gauge, we have the wobble at 2.5 millimeter. We can wobble up to 4 millimeter, but no reason to on this part. So we'll go ahead and tack it up. And now since I don't have wire to guide me in that crack, I don't want to freehand it either. So I'll use a stop of anything just to guide the torch. And that's fusion. It's not the cleanest, but you're trying to freehand it, but it's solid. It is one piece of material now. We took a saw, cut this in half, put it under a microscope, it would be one piece of material. All right, we're going to take that same 14 gauge and just use wire this time. There is a little gap, about a mil. We do have the 4 mil wobble, but we do not want any 4 mil gap. Just like any other welding application, the smaller the gap, the better we are. That's a wire-fed butt weld, 14 gauge, full penetration, and quick.